There's a music here. And a small speaker. And an iPhone system here.
Yes. It's
That's
not in all of them.
Wow, so cool. 90 kilometers.
No, it's actually 80. It's lying.
It's lying?
Yeah, it's lying. Some of them lie. It doesn't go faster than 80.
What about over speed?
You can't.
You can't?
No.
Oh, we can.
Oh, that's cool. No, we only have this. It stops at 80. I mean, it doesn't stop, but it stops speeding at 80.
So where we are now? I don't know where I am.
In Kulosaari.
I don't know. I had never been there.
But we don't have many stops. Only 17 maybe. Yeah.
70. I have 19 stations on my line, and it's and the distance is approximately 36 kilometers. 36 from the you goes up at southwest to northeast.
Oh.
It's diagonal, yeah.
36.
And we have crossing platforms with every line. It's crazy. It's very difficult.
Yeah, it is. You know, this is the easiest.
Lots of people and lots of railway station. Not station, terminals.
Yeah.
In terminals. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, ours is easy. Just like one direction and then you change and then you come back.
Ну, короче, вот мне повезло. Я все-таки попал в кабину хельсинского метрополитена. Со мной замечательные мои коллеги Йона.
What?
And Nura. Say hello to my friends, to my colleagues. Как капули. Say hello to Sergey. Как капули.
Hello, Kakapulli.
Как капули.
Hello, Kakapulli.
Привет, Какапули. Okay, I will show him. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I really enjoyed. What a lucky day for today. I have been to marketplace.
Yeah.
I ate fish with vegetables and a salmon soup, my favorite. Yeah.
Oh, salmon soup is the best.
Is it the Karhola or not? Karhola?
What?
Karhola, the place, small town. Not far.
Herttoniemi.
Wait, Karhula is in Hamina, right?
Next after Hamina, from the border.
Oh. So we're definitely not in Karhula.
The next song.
And what should we play?
Robbie Williams, yeah.
How about Ricky Martin?
Living la vida loca.
What else?
Oh, it's an emergency kit.
Yeah.
It's a med kit. Yeah. We don't have one.
We actually have two.
We have two.
Here's
the
another
larger one and that there is smaller one.
Oh, it's good. It has sugar on it.
Sugar.
Yeah, what the hell? Someone has been eating.
Woo! Oh, thank you very much, girls, for this trip. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
I'm glad you have come here also.
So I'm happy because I had been to Helsinki 2 or 3 years ago, and
Yeah.
now I have a car.